Okay, product rule. This is where we have the form of a function times a function. So we call it u and v, just like we had our u in our chain rule. This time we've got u and v, two different functions. So our y dash is u dash v plus v dash u. Now you could do that in the same format as the chain rule one, but I prefer this one. It's how I learned it when I was at school. I'm used to doing it this way and saying it this way, so I have kept going with it like that. So it will look a bit different on your formula sheets, but I find this works for me. It also helps me to remember that it's different to the chain rule. So I've got u dash v plus v dash u. So I start with writing. So here's my example, y equals 3x minus 1 and x squared minus 3. So this is my u and this is my v. So over to the side I write u is equal to 3x take 1. And then I write what u dash is equal to. So the derivative of that is going to be 3. Then my v is equal to x squared minus 3. So my v dash is going to be equal to 2x. Now I'm going to write my rule, u dash v plus v dash u, and I'm going to put in those parts that I've worked out. So I've got 3 for my u dash and x squared minus 3 for my v, plus my v dash is 2x outside of, my u is 3x take 1. Now I can go through and expand that and simplify that and see if I can collect any like terms there, or I can leave it as it is. Sometimes questions will ask you not to expand and simplify. If we do that, we get 3x squared minus 9, and then we have here we've got 2x times 3x is 6x squared take 2x. So we can go 3x squared plus 6x squared is going to be 9x squared take 2x take 9. We can look and see if we can factorize that, or we can leave it in that form.